AI image generation often leans toward producing images of women that expose cleavage or other NSFW elements. Today, we aim to correct such image by using flux and painting techniques to create a more modest and professional appearance. Here's the step-by-step approach, even if it shows some cleavage or exposed skin around the chest area. Open the mask editor, use the inpainting feature, and carefully mask the area of the chest that shows exposed skin. Ensure the mask covers all regions where cleavage or excessive skin is visible. Save the mask. Once the area is appropriately masked, modify the prompts in the negative prompt. Include words like cleavage and skin to direct the AI to exclude these features. In the positive prompt, describe the desired clothing style. For example, suggest a white shirt or a white dress or a collared shirt. Generate the image. Allow the AI to process and generate the edited image. The aim is to replace the revealing elements with modest, well-suited clothing while preserving the integrity and quality of the original image. After generating, compare the updated image to the original to ensure the edits align with your goal. This process effectively transforms the image, making it suitable for professional or general use while avoiding NSFW tendencies often associated with AI-generated content. This method allows us to fix and refine images, converting them into decent, usable visuals that cater to a wider audience without compromising on quality.